Profit and loss. In this topic, you will learn about money matters, another aspect of business maths. Ram bought a cow for rupees 500 and he sold it to Shyam at rupees 600. Ram sold it for more money than what he had bought, so he made a profit of rupees 100. But later, Shyam, who bought the cow for rupees 600, sold it to Balu for rupees 400. Shyam sold it at a lesser price than at what he bought it, so he had a loss of rupees 200. Every day, various financial transactions are made. Our day-to-day activity involves money transactions for our basic needs. For everything you purchase, you have to make a payment in return to the shopkeeper for the goods in the form of currency. The nearby shopkeeper where you purchase the goods from is called a retailer. The retailer in turn purchases goods directly from a manufacturer or through another big shopkeeper called the wholesaler at a certain price. The shopkeeper buys the goods from the wholesaler at a particular price. This means that for the shopkeeper or the retailer, the articles cost a certain amount. This amount is the cost price. It is abbreviated as CP. In the above example, Ram bought the cow for rupees 500, so the cost price of the cow is rupees 500. The price at which a shopkeeper sells the goods to his customers is called the selling price. This is abbreviated as SP. Ram sold the cow to Shyam for rupees 600, so the SP of the cow is rupees 600. There are some hidden costs that are borne by the shopkeeper in procuring the goods, like freight, maintenance, or labor. These additional costs are referred to as the overhead expenses and are added in the cost of the goods. Therefore, the total investment by the shopkeeper for procuring the goods then becomes the cost of goods plus the overhead charges. Study the table to see the additions to the CP to get the final CP. There is always a difference between the cost price and the selling price. When the goods are sold at a price that is more than the cost price, the goods are sold at a profit, and the shopkeeper makes a gain. Pradeep has 6 chocolates. He sees a colorful kite. He takes the kite and gives 6 chocolates. Now he meets a friend. Seema wants the kite too. She wants to give it to her brother as a birthday gift. She gives Pradeep 10 chocolates for the kite. Since Pradeep has 4 chocolates more, he now has a profit. How do we know that Pradeep has 4 chocolates more? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. If goods are sold at rupees 50 and the cost price was rupees 30, then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 50 minus 30, that is equal to 20. Therefore, profit is rupees 20. When the goods are sold at a price that is less than the cost price, the goods are sold at a loss, and the shopkeeper makes a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. If goods are sold at rupees 300 and were bought at rupees 350, then the loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is equal to 350 minus 300, that is equal to 50. Therefore, the loss is rupees 50. Remember, profit or loss is always calculated on CP. You can calculate the selling price if cost price and profit are known. Similarly, you can also calculate the cost price if the selling price and profit are known. SP is equal to CP plus profit. If the cost price is rupees 500 and profit is rupees 50, then SP is equal to 500 plus 50, that's equal to 550. Therefore, SP is equal to rupees 550. Let us work on the same numbers again. CP is equal to SP minus profit. If the selling price is rupees 550 and profit is rupees 50, then we can find the cost price. We know that CP is equal to SP minus profit. Similarly, you can calculate the selling price if the cost price and loss are known. Since there is a loss, the CP is bigger than the SP. So CP minus loss will give us the SP. If cost price is equal to rupees 500 and loss is equal to rupees 50, find the selling price. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Replacing with the known values, we get SP is equal to 500 minus 50, that is equal to 450. Therefore, the selling price is equal to rupees 450. CP is equal to SP plus loss. If selling price is rupees 32 and loss is equal to rupees 8, then CP is equal to SP plus loss. CP is equal to 32 plus 8, that is equal to 40. Therefore, cost price is equal to 40. As you can see, we can find out the third number if any two are known. You can also calculate the cost price if the selling price and loss are known. Activity. Now we will use the above formula to fill in the gaps in this table. Blanks have been left for you to key in the correct answers. Profit or loss can be expressed as a percent of the cost price and never of the selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. If profit is equal to rupees 8 and cost price is equal to rupees 40, then profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit percentage is equal to 8 by 40 into 100 is equal to 20%. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. If loss is equal to rupees 10 and cost price is rupees 50, then loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100, that is equal to 10 by 50 into 100. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to 20%. Let's look at an example of a financial transaction. A sofa set was purchased for rupees 2,465 and rupees 235 was spent on its transportation. At what price should it be sold to have a gain of 20%? Total investment on the sofa set is equal to rupees 2,465 plus rupees 235, that is equal to rupees 2,700. Gain required is equal to 20%. We know that gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100. Replacing the known values, we get 20 is equal to gain by 2,700 into 100. You have learnt cross multiplication. 20 into 2,700 by 100 is equal to gain. Therefore, gain is equal to 20 into 2,700 divided by 100, that is equal to rupees 540. Selling price is equal to CP plus gain. Hence, the SP is equal to rupees 2,700 plus 540, that is equal to rupees 3,240. Three friends went out for a business lunch and agreed to share the bill. The waiter presented them with a bill of rupees 30, and each of them gave him a rupees 10 note. But having put the money in the bill, the waiter realized he had overcharged them. The bill should have been rupees 26, for there was a special offer on the wine that he had overlooked. So he took rupees 4 from the bill in order to repay them. However, splitting rupees 4 equally between three people daunted him. So he pocketed 1 rupee and gave 1 rupee each to each of the friends. Thus each friend had paid rupees 9, and between them rupees 27, but the waiter had only 1 rupee in his pocket, making a total of rupees 28. So what happened to the 2 rupees?